Degi Yakhni Pulao. Let's start the recipe. I have taken 1 kg of mutton. Take a cooker. Add a heaped spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, 5 to 6 black peppers, 1 black cardamom, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add 1 liter of water. We will cook it on high flame for 5 minutes. After 1 whistle, cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. As I'm cooking 1 kg of rice and 1 kg of mutton, for that I'll be needing 250 grams of clarified butter, tamarind, 5 to 8 slices of lemon, 1 heaped spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now place 3 to 4 tomatoes sliced. Let them cook for 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, mace, 1 piece nutmeg. Grind them and make a powder of it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, little water. Let the tomatoes cook. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of green chili paste. Take around 7 to 8 green chilies, add little water and make a paste out of it. The grinded masalas, add 2 teaspoons to it. Add fresh coriander and mint leaves. Cook for a minute on medium flame. Let all the flavors get immersed with each other. Then we will add mutton to it. Let's check the mutton. Perfectly done. Now we'll strain it. Take out the bay leaf, the cardamom. Time to add the mutton. Mix it well and cook it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Let all the flavors seep in mutton. We strained out the mutton. In this water only we'll cook our yakhni pulao. Time to add water. For 1 kg of rice, we will take 2.5 liter of water. Let it come to a boil. The salt has to be on little higher side because rice need to be cooked in it. I'll be adding salt to it according to the taste. Black pepper powder. I've taken 1 kg basmati rice. Soak it at least an hour. You can soak more if you want. Now we have to cook this rice in dum for at least 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. Cover it with lid. Let's check our yakhni pulao. Wow. Beautiful color, aroma, flavors of Indian spices. It's perfectly done. Let it be in dum for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it rest, and when you want to serve it, just take this and serve it like that. Now Hyderabadi mutton yakhni pulao is ready to serve. It has all the flavors of Indian spices. Do try the recipe, and if you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. And for any query, DM me at my Insta handle Priyanka_Bhatia. Enjoy!